Hi, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial with all high-end products. I recently did an all drugstore products. So today I decided that I was going to pull out all my high-end stuff and use it. I don't usually use my high-end stuff. I think as you guys can notice, even when I do really exaggerated looks, I always use my drugstore like foundation, eyebrow stuff, like all of that. But today I decided to just do all high-end products. I most definitely needed this Red Bull that's bigger than my head because I'm hella tired. I've been in bed for 4 days straight. So I'm super excited to do my makeup and just at least take pictures. So for this video, I am going to try to put the prices like on this side, like a picture of the product, just so you guys know what it actually is, because I feel like I never even let you guys know what I'm using. Today I actually want to show you guys what I'm using. A lot of these products are new, like I haven't even used them, but I'm gonna try them out. I was gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow, but I kind of found this one, which I got I think in a BoxyCharm a long time ago. It's called Bang Beauty. I've never even heard of this brand, but I found it in my new cabinet. I have a whole cabinet that has like new stuff that I should try out soon, so I am gonna be using that.
So I just wanted to add this little clip in there because right now I'm looking for all the prices of all the products that I used today. And when I was looking for the Bang Beauty that I thought it was a pomade, it's actually an eyeliner. But I used that for my eyebrows. They look fine. But just so you guys know, it is an eyeliner instead of a dip brow as I thought.
The brown is a little bit light, but it'll work. I'll make it work. Now I'm just gonna go do my eyebrows and I will be right back. So I'm back and my eyebrows are done and I have concealer on my eyelids. So now I'm trying to figure out which one of these Jaclyn Hill little palettes I should use. Whenever I can't decide on things like this, I have this random app. It's literally called Random. So I just put in 1 through 4 because there's 4 palettes. I am going off of like the top 1, 2, 3, 4, you know? So I'm just gonna click that. Alright, and it chose number 2. So number 2, I can't take it out, was Ring the Alarm. So I do really like this palette because it's just all the colors that I always use. I'm gonna start with Rush right here. And I'm gonna put that all over my crease. So now I'm gonna add Alert, which is more of a orange color. The last shade that I'm gonna add on my crease is actually gonna be Framed, which is a purple, a dark plum color. So I honestly think that's good for eyeshadow. I don't want it to be too dark and I don't want it to be too extra. So now for my eyelid, I'm just gonna put Boom, that one, with my ring finger. I'm not gonna be super precise with it. It's just gonna go all over my lid. So now I'm gonna do primer. I usually use this No More Blem primer by Touch in Soul, which I always use. As you could tell, it's like half empty. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and this Marc Jacobs foundation. So I'm just going to mix both of those on the back of my hand. Oh, I love that they're 2 way different colors. So a lot of people say that you should invest in at least foundation, but honestly, foundation is like the least of my worries. I've tried a bunch of expensive foundations and honestly the drugstore ones still work better for me, hence why I always use my drugstore foundations. For high-end concealer, I actually don't have one because I did not use concealer until I got the Milani one, so that's why I only have that one, because I really liked it. But if you guys have any recommendations of what kind of concealers, like high-end concealers I should get, let me know. So for that, I'm actually going to be using this Anastasia like cream contour kit. I've had this little Tarte oil for a really long time. I usually use it for like my dip brows when they start drying out, but I am going to use it for that and for the cream contour one just to soften them up and hopefully they'll look better. For concealer, I'm going to use this little brush and try to mix that up and use that as concealer. actually does not look bad. I'm actually going to use this to cream contour. I never cream contour. I'm honestly pretty excited to cream contour because my skin hates cream products. Like foundation, it takes a lot for me to even like a foundation. So I'm pretty excited to see if I can do this time. I've only done it like one other time and I did not like it. So let's see how this goes. Am I supposed to blend it with this brush or am I supposed to blend it with a sponge? Oh god. You guys, that looks horrible. Yeah, this looks horrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know I shouldn't have done this. We're gonna fix this. Just kidding, I just messed it up even more. How do y'all cream contour? And now another new product, which is this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And I'm just gonna set it with my wet sponge. Whoa, that feels really good. So I actually do really like how that powder feels. It was really easy to put on and it feels really light compared to the Airspun. I'm not gonna switch over because this is probably way more expensive. I also got this, I think, in a BoxyCharm, but I'm not switching over. But I'm gonna use this sometimes. And I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm only gonna use that middle shade. As you could tell, it's the only shade I use. And since I already have this palette right here, I'm just gonna take these two shades and put that under my eyes. So another product that I pulled out of my new cabinet was this Lamar. I don't really know how to say it, but I love their products and everything's super pigmented. I have like 2 other palettes and I love them. And these are blushes. So I am going to use those today. If you know anything about me, I love blush and I will always love blush. I go overboard with it, to say the least. I'm gonna go in with these two. For highlight, I'm first gonna take this Cover FX glitter, like liquid glitter. I know these were a huge thing back in the day, and I got one when they were huge, but I didn't really know how to use it. Once I put it in my foundation, because I saw someone do that on Instagram. And let me tell you, I looked like a disco ball. It was horrible. I had to wipe off my foundation and start over, so I'm not doing that anymore. But I think I am just gonna blend that out here. So do I blend it with my finger or with a beauty blender? That's way too much. I should have known better, but I did not know better. So this video is full of me trying products that I've never tried before or have never tried properly, so you guys can tell that I clearly don't know how to use this. And as if that wasn't enough, I'm gonna go in with this Artist Couture highlight. I don't know if I'm gonna like it because I think I tried it once and it was kind of purple, but I don't remember why I stopped using it. So I'm scared because that looks really pigmented. Oh yeah, it is purple. I thought it was gonna be stronger than that. I'm actually gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit because I trust this more than that. So I'm pretty much done with the face, so I'm just gonna go back with that Jaclyn Hill palette and just put some of those colors right underneath my lash line. And then with that same highlight, I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. So now I'm just gonna be putting on mascara and these falsies, Unapologetic by Her Lashes. These are actually not, I wouldn't consider them high-end because they are only like $5, but I highly recommend them because I love these and I only wear Her Lashes. So check their Instagram out. So the lashes are on, and you guys, this brand is my favorite eyelash brand. Like, I really want you guys to tell me what eyelash brand you guys use. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using a Live Glam lipstick like I always do. Today I'm gonna try on our red first. I don't know, I haven't done a red lipstick in a really long time. So this one is Vanity Fair Metallic. So it's a metallic lipstick. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it on. If not, I have two nudes that I could try on as well. Okay, I actually really ended up liking this. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I could not get that gel, that eyebrow gel, to fill in my little blank spot at the top of my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use my regular eyebrow pencil and fill that in because it does not look good. So now I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with this Benefit eyebrow gel. And now for the last thing for my makeup, I am gonna be using my Morphe spray and just setting my face with that. My hair is growing so much, which I'm so happy for. I don't really know what to do with my hair. I'm probably gonna curl it because my hair is already really straight. This is literally my natural hair. I honestly think that doing my hair takes the least amount of time than anything else. Like, even picking an outfit takes way longer than doing my hair. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see next. And thanks for watching. Now,